This is what daily life looks like. All very normal, all very ordinary. No drama, no chaos. And this is all thanks to our tireless home team officers who keep Singapore safe and secure. But did you know that behind the ordinary is another group quite extraordinary? Because they monitor over 300 systems, watch over 1,000 assets and buildings, oversee more than 3,000 vehicles and vessels, and safeguard more than 100,000 servers and endpoint devices. They are HTSC. You could say that they have 20/20 vision because they monitor, preempt, and prevent. This all-seeing force never sleeps, harnessing the power of AI to develop, sustain, and empower our home team's everyday capabilities, protecting those who protect us. We bet you'll never view a peaceful day the same way again.